Hello student, today we are going to learn literature review. Literature review is important to find the existing gap in the literature and to refine our research question. So in this session, we will see how to search the literature, how to save the literature, how to insert citation and how to generate bibliography at the end. So here is the research question for which we will do an article search for literature review first. Then save the selected articles in our reference manager software Zotero. So let's learn search and save first. But before starting the process, remember 2 points. Search article for review from Google Scholar, PubMed and Institutional Library and then saving that article in Zotero. So let's see this process. First, click on Zotero. Click on this new collection. Name it. I have named it DVT in medical ICU. Press OK. You can see a new file in your library, that is the DVT under Score Medical ICU. This is creating a folder in your Zotero. So first we will be doing the literature search using Google Scholar. Type in the search bar your research question. So incidence of DVT in medical ICU. You can see 12,400 result. You can use these filters. If I want to save the article since 2016, so click on this article. Wait for a few seconds. You will see a Zotero icon on upper right corner of the page. Click on this. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can open your Zotero and you can see a article here. Similarly, you can save another article. Click on this and then click on this Zotero. Wait for some time. This has been saved. So you can see 2 articles here. So this is the way you can keep on saving your article. Click on this article. Click on this Zotero icon. And this article will also appear in your Zotero library. Now I want to see the PubMed. So type PubMed in Google. Open this. We will use mesh term for exploration. That's why click on mesh database. Search for the mesh term, that is the medical subject heading. So I will type deep vein thrombosis. Click on this and add to search builder. There are 3 Boolean operators which we use in case of PubMed, and, or not. Most of the time we use and. So click on this and then search for the mesh term of ICU, that is the intensive care unit. Click on this and then add to search builder. And then you can see a PubMed search builder where the mesh term is for venous thrombosis and intensive care unit. Click on this search PubMed. You can see 258 articles. If I want to use the filter of free full text, I can do that, 40 articles. And if I want to narrow down the time period, I can select my article from 2008 to 2020. So now 29 articles are there. So if I want to select this article, open this and then click on this Zotero. If I want to save another article, then click on this article and save this article. So if any free full text is not available either from Google Scholar or PubMed, you can search and save that article from your institutional library. So now you can see a folder where 4 articles are saved, and now you have to take the citation of a section of article which you want to cite in your work. So I have opened this Zotero folder, clicked on this article which I want to use. I've gone through this article several times and I have decided that I will use the result and conclusion of this article in my citation. So I have copied this and I have pasted this in a blank Microsoft Word document. I'm paraphrasing this. So this article says that out of 190 patients, 20 patients had DVT. So the prevalence is 10.5%. So I will write, according to Villarushmi et al., the prevalence of DVT was 10.5% in critically ill patients, which was associated with longer ICU stay. So now I will put the reference here after Villarushmi et al. So I will click on this Zotero, click on this add edit citation, selected this Vancouver superscript and type few words of the author name or article. So you have selected it and then press on enter. You can see a superscript here. Now I want to use the another article of my reference section. So I have opened this article of Kumar et al. I have read it and it is showing that the incidence of DVT was 0.8% with prophylaxis, and high DVT and Apache 4 score were associated with DVT. So I want to again paraphrase the result. So I will go here, I'll type this and I'll write the paraphrase. So here I will paraphrase it like the study done by Kumar et al. Reported the prevalence of DVT as 1.6% and 1.6% in medical ICU and 0.5% in surgical ICU. So after Kumar et al., I want to insert reference. So I'll go add and edit citation. I will press Kumar select this article, press enter. You can see the citation here as number 2. So we'll keep on doing this exercise in our introduction and review of literature part, but don't forget to remove the original section. Just keep the paraphrased one, and then you have to generate the reference. So at the end of your work, write bibliography, then press this add or edit bibliography, and then you will see that those two articles, it is appeared here. If you want to change the sequence, if you want this to be before this Villarushmi, so you can press cut and paste this and refresh this. So you will see that Kumar et al. Has gone on the first place and Villarushmi has gone on the second place. So similarly, you can change the sequence of your citation and it will be automatically refreshed in your bibliography section. So thank you so much. This was the process of search and save the article in Zotero folder and take the citation and generate the reference at the end.